Here is basic maths for physics, topic 1, trigonometry. First point, sine theta or cos theta, range will be +1 to -1. +1 is maximum and -1 is minimum. Okay. Second point. Let's go for second point. See here. If theta is very small means it should be in single digit like 0 to 9. Okay. So wherever you will have sine theta, approximately you can write theta. Wherever you will have tan theta, approximately you can write theta. Wherever you have cos theta, you can write 1. Okay, but there is a confusion. What is that confusion? Let's see here. Confusion is what? I'll explain with example. What is that example? Suppose we have here what sine 2 degrees. Writing 2, it's wrong. You cannot write. You're not supposed to write. Okay, it's wrong. You should change 2 degree into radian. Okay, so therefore sine 2 into 1 radian, pi by 180. Okay, 1 degree, pi by 180 radian. Therefore, you can write sine 2 into pi by 180. Okay, therefore your answer will be 2 into pi by 180 and approximately its value will be 0.0349. Okay, like this is correct. Like this, we can go for one more example. Taking one more example, suppose I am writing here 10 5 degrees. It should not be 5. It is wrong. It should not be 5. It is wrong. You should write 10 5 degrees should be equal to sine 10 5 into pi by 180. Okay, you have converted into radian and therefore your answer will be 5 plus pi by 180. That's the answer. Okay, for pi you can keep 3.14. Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Let's go for third point. Let us go for next point. Here, suppose next point is what? Next point is suppose you are presenting sine theta cos theta relation. Suppose sine theta 1 can be written as cos theta 2. Condition is what? Theta 1 plus theta 2 should be 90 degrees. Example, sine 1 degree can be written as cos 89 degree. Cos 30 degree can be written as sine 60 degrees. Sine 10 degree can be written as cos 80 degrees. Same will be applicable for tan theta and cot theta. Tan theta 1 can be equal to cot theta 2. Conditions what? Theta 1 plus theta 2 should be 90. Cot 20 degrees should be equal to tan 70 degrees. Let's go for fifth point. See, sine theta 1 can be written as sine theta 2 also. Conditions what? Theta 1 plus theta 2 should be 180. I'm writing sine 30. I can write sine 30 will be equal to sine 150. 15. Sine 10 can be written as sine 170. Sine 60 can be written as sine 120. Okay, let's go for sixth point. Let's go for 6 point. 6 point is what? We will keep relation for cos theta only. Cos theta 1 can be written as minus cos theta 2. When cos theta 1 plus cos theta 2 should be 180. Here's the example. Cos 30 can be written as minus cos 150. Cos 60 can be written as minus cos 120. Okay, in my next topic, we will see some extra points related to trigonometry. We are discussing basic maths for physics. Thank you very much.